What's up, YouTube? Back with a quick Mustang Mach-E video. If your Mustang is equipped with the 360 cameras, which is pretty much all of them except for the base select, so because this one is the select with the comfort and technology package, it also gets the 3D cameras. So you'd have this in most. So if you're in reverse, which you can tell I am based on the screen here, up in the 360 camera area where it's stitching all the cameras together to make this image, you can hit this little zoom and you can zoom into a particular spot. Say there was something up here that you wanted to make sure you had enough room for. It's weird that it comes up for the front when you're going to be going in reverse anyhow, but you can do this when you're pulling in as well. If you want to see a little bit further behind you, you can hit that one. Again, just another little quick one. Okay, so let's say you're not in reverse. You can get into the car here. You can actually access your cameras here. Now you're seeing in front of you on the lower screen rather than behind you, because I am in drive. Sorry for the mess. Car needs a little clean. But again, you've got that same zoom. You want to pull in a little bit here. Say you were rolling forward. You wanted to watch what was going on in that corner. Be good for like pulling into a parking spot. There you go. That's some of the 3D camera stuff. Might as well do these while I'm here. You've got these three options on the side. This one gives you the full view of around you. This one is the one we were just in, so that is your front-facing camera. And then this one is your surround 360 visuals. Bye.